Good morning. I'm Dr. Janojani Lakshman. I'm an emergency physician working at Teaching Hospital Jaffna. I'm going to present a descriptive study on interhospital transfers to Accident and Emergency Department of Teaching Hospital Jaffna. So A&E Department of Teaching Hospital Jaffna receives large number of patients from all over the part of northern province in Sri Lanka. So this study aims to describe the clinical and non-clinical profiles of transferred patients to A&E department and assess the quality of transfer arrangements. So this is a descriptive cross-sectional study conducted at A&E Unit Teaching Hospital Jaffna for 6 weeks period. And the study is the samples were recruited by consecutive sampling and sample size was calculated as 427. When the results is analyzed, the institutional incidence is 20%. That means every fifth patient attending to any department was a transfer patient. Age ranged from 1 month to 93 years and pediatric population is 8%. Most of the patients lived within 40 kilometers from Teaching Hospital Jaffna. Most of the patients were coming under triage category 1 and 2. More than half of the patients were triage category 2, and 1 and 2 belongs to 80% of the total study populations. That means most of the patients are critically ill. 12% of them were intubated and 15% of them had major trauma. When we analyze the reason for transfer, 46% is for specialized investigations and 34% is for specialist opinion. 13% is for advanced care, that means for ICU and CCU, and 7% is for other reasons. Among the patients for investigation, CT head is the most common one, that is 35%. When we analyze the diagnosis of these patients, neurological diagnosis comes first, 25%, then cardiology patients were 17.5, then again neurosurgical diagnosis was 61 number of patients, that is 14.6%, then toxicology, then infectious disease, and then respiratory conditions. When the system support given at A&E department was analyzed, most of the patients got respiratory system support, 91 got in IPPV and 32 NIV. 28 patients got inotropic support, 16 patients got blood transfusion, and 8 got dialysis. And when we analyze the disposition of the patients after resuscitation, most of the patients were transferred to ward, that is 62%, and quite significant number, 24% have been transferred to critical care units such as HDU and ICU, while 8% have been retransferred and 4% have died at A&E and 2% were discharged from hospital. When we analyze and surgical interventions were done to 25 number of patients from A&E. When we assess the transfer arrangement, in the transform, consent was recorded in 92% and reason was recorded in 96% of patients. But the summary of recording was poor, that is 80% nearly, and proper escort was given only to 43%, and proper monitoring was done to 29%. Prior alert to A&E department was given only to 11.7% of patients. When we analyze the prior communication before transfer of Teaching Hospital Jaffna, among the intubated patients, nearly less than half of the patients have been discussed with the intensivist for the availability of beds for A&E. And among the specialist opinion patients, nearly 65% of the patients have been discussed with the specialist before transferring to the hospital. Among the major trauma patients, only 40% of them had spinal immobilization technique during the transfer period. When we analyze the correlation between the level of hospitals and the transfer appropriateness of giving proper escort and monitoring, mainly district general hospitals, base hospitals, and divisional hospitals are the ones transferring patients to the Teaching Hospital Jaffna. And the correlation was smaller the institutional level, lesser the appropriateness of transferred patients. So in conclusion, significant number of A&E admissions of tertiary care hospitals were inter-hospital transfers and patients lived far away. Most patients transferred to A&E were critically ill and the quality of transfer arrangement was inadequate. Inappropriate transfer arrangements such as monitoring and escort were more common towards smaller institutions. Thank you.